Assalamu alaikum, this is Sajid and you're watching my YouTube channel. In my today's video, we will discuss about string methods. So we have been studying strings from last few videos, and we have seen many methods which can be used on strings. So, and there are many built-in methods there, like Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings. All string methods return a new value and they do not change the original string. Keep remember, this is an important note. So actually there are many methods, as you can see, a long list. So each method performs different you can say function or operation on a string. So we will see some of them here, but I would encourage you to go through all of them and try them one by one. Okay, so for example, this will be a short video. The purpose was just to tell you that there are many built-in methods, and some of them we have already tried in previous videos, so you have good idea of them. So for example, here we have this capitalize method. What it does, converts the first character to uppercase. So when you use this method and on a string, it will convert the first character to uppercase. Similarly, case fold converts strings into lowercase, complete string, right? Center, count returns the number of times the specified value occurs in a string. You can count, for example, any character, how many times it appears in certain string. Encode ends with returns true if string ends with the specified value. Find, if it find searches string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Format, we have seen, we had a full video on the format method, and the format map, index. So this is actually a long list, and it's better if you study them one by one and try to run them. So these are very useful if you have to do some operations on a string in your program, right? You are writing. So I will wrap up my video here. I hope this has been informative for you, and the purpose was just to tell you or show you these methods, and you can try. These are very easy to use and you can try them at your own. Okay, I'll be back with another video soon. By that time, take care and Allah Hafiz.